I'm very direct in my communication. And for that reason, people often ask for my feedback, as they know I would be honest with it. However, when I give it, they feel offended and annoyed. How to give honest feedback without hurting their feelings? I was asked this question in a session. Direct communication does not mean down and dirty. In order to become an effective communicator and to bring change in people's behavior, choose boldness over bluntness in your communication style. And these 3 checks will help you achieve that. First, plan check. Before getting into any sensitive conversation in your personal or professional space, think about the outcome you want from that conversation and plan for it. Planning will help you carefully choose persuasive words. However, bluntness will most of the time make you regret your unthoughtful words. Second, time check. Timing of getting into any conversation is very crucial to get the desired outcome. The best time would be when you consider both physical as well as emotional time. For example, getting in a feedback session when you yourself have had a bad day would not be the right time. At the same time, giving a negative feedback immediately when a person has failed in something and is already feeling low and distressed would not be taken well. Wrong timing would definitely ruin the conversation, even when your intentions are good. Third, tone and body language check. The reactions what we get from people depend a lot on how we say what we have to say. And our tone and body language plays a very important role in that. Bluntness will make you ignore the impact of it. However, to become an effective and bold communicator, choose positive tone and body language. And for that, remember to get your emotions under control before you get into any sensitive conversation. So are you blunt or bold communicator? Though the difference between both is challenging to identify, yet always remember this subtle difference can make or break your relationships and your reputation. This is Shweta Rajput, and in my further videos, I would be addressing more such questions which I'm often asked in my personal branding, communication and relationship sessions. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon.